Good morning, students. Now today we will be studying English grammar, that is English 1. Now first of all see this. This is your book Mastering Grammar Class 2. Okay, this is your book of English 1, that is English grammar. Now today we will be starting chapter number 1, Alphabet Fun. Now this is just the revision of grammar which we have already done in class 1. Okay. Now first of all see, in English we have a set of letters in a fixed order. Now what is a fixed order? See this. A, B, C, D till Z. This order is fixed. ऐसा नहीं है कि एक के बाद K आएगा या फिर M आएगा. ये order fix है. A के बाद B ही आएगा और B के बाद C ही आएगा. That is the fixed order. They are called the alphabets. How many alphabets are there? There are 26 letters in English alphabet. How many letters? 26. These 26 letters make up the alphabet family. Now we can write these 26 letters in two ways. That is the capital letters and the small letters. You all know how to write in the capital letters and in the small letters. Now see, there are some special words. The letters A, E, I, O, U. These 5 are special words. Why they are special? They are called vowels. What they are called? Vowels. And the other letters are called consonants. A, E, I, O, U. These 5 are vowels. और इन vowels को छोड़ के जो भी letters है, they are called consonants. Now alphabetical order, the order in which we recall all the letters of the English alphabet family is the alphabetical order. Like I said, this order is fixed. A, B, C, D, E. This is the correct order. When we write A, B, C, D, E, all the letters are in alphabetical order. सारे letters alphabetical order में है. When we write A, D, P, C, the letters are not in alphabetical order. This is not alphabetical order. A के बाद D आता है, फिर उसके बाद P आता है. No, this is wrong. This is the correct alphabetical order. A, B, C, D and E. Okay. Now, okay, this is a very easy exercise which we have already done in class 1. Arrange the following groups of words in alphabetical order. What we have to do, we have to arrange the words in alphabetical order. Means how we have to do? See, the first letter of every word helps us write the words in alphabetical order. Now what you have to do, you see, ये सारे letters हैं, सारे जो words है उसका हमें first letter देखना है. See, the first letter is in bold. First letter bold किया हुआ है. We just have to see the first letter. Okay, and then we have to identify. How we will identify? See, bat, ant, cat, dog, pan. We just have to see the first letter. Okay, and we have to find out. ये देखो, first letters कौन से है? B, A, C, D and P. उसमें से हमको देखना है कि alphabetical order में पहले कौन सा alphabet आता है. Okay, we have to see which alphabet comes the earliest, comes before. Okay, so इन सब में से पहले कौन सा अल्फाबेट आता है? इट इज A. So we will write ant first. Then which alphabet is in the order which can come after A? B. Then we will write bat. After B, which alphabet is there in the order? Cat. C. So we will write cat. Likewise, after C, it is D. So we will write dog. Then after D, D के बाद तो E आता है, बट उस ऑर्डर में अगर हम EFGHI पूरा A to Z हम सारे अल्फाबेट्स बोलेंगे Z तक, तो D के बाद कौन सा अल्फाबेट आ सकता है ऑर्डर में? P. So we will write pan. Likewise, see this one. See this one. Sat, mat, pat, dad and fat. नाउ हमको क्या करना है? हमको फर्स्ट अल्फाबेट देखना है. A to Z में जब हम बोलेंगे A, B, C, D, तो इनमें से फर्स्ट देखो S, M, P, D and F. तो सबसे पहले क्या आएगा? See what you have to do students. आपको है ना अपने माइंड में A to Z बोलना है. Then you see the first alphabets. A, B, C, D. See. Over here it is there, a letter is starting. So we will write over here the word that is starting with D. Then D के बाद क्या आएगा ऑर्डर में? D, E, F. See, F. A letter is there which is starting with F. Then F, G, H, I, J is in sub letters से कोई भी word नहीं है. So what will be the next? J, K, L, M. M is there. So we can write M-A-T, mat. Then M-N-O-P. From P it is there. So we will write pat. Then P, Q, R, S. From S it is there. Sat. So we will write sat. Okay, now see the second one. Papa, buy, love, you, too. Now which is the first alphabet? पहले तो सबके first letters देखो. P, B, L, Y and 2. Now जो alphabetical order है that is A to Z, उसमें सबसे पहले क्या आएगा? B. A and उसके बाद B. So we will write by. Then उसका जो next order है उसमें देखो B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. So from L we will write love. Then L, M, N, O, P. So from P we will write Papa. P, Q, R, S, T. From T we will write 2. Then T, U, V, W, X, Y. So we will write Y, O, U, U. Understood students? What you have to do? You have to arrange these set of words in the alphabetical order. मतलब आपको अपने mind में A to Z का order याद रखना है. So you will be easily able to arrange these words. Okay, now I have done the first two sets. 3, 4 and 5 you try by yourself. Okay, so you can know how much you have understood. Okay, now this type of question also we have done in class 1. We have to fill in the blanks with vowels. Which are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. So we have to fill in the blanks. Like see, what is this? This is a hand. Which word is missing? A. Okay, we just have to use A, E, I, O, U. Now what is this? Fish. So complete the spelling. F-I-S-H, fish. What is this? This is a dragon. Okay, then what is this? This is an ant. This is a fan. So write A. Understood? We just have to fill in the blanks with A, E, I, O, U. This is a puppy, so we will write U over here. Then this is a lock, so write O. Then this is a kite, so we will write K is given, then I, T and E. Okay, very easy. Then, okay, these are the consonants. Now what are consonants? जो अल्फाबेट्स, द लेटर्स अदर देन वॉवल्स, ए, ई, आई, ओ, यू को छोड़ के जो दूसरे अल्फाबेट्स है पूरे ए टू जेड में, ओके, दे आर कॉल्ड द कॉन्सोनेंट्स. नाउ व्हाट इज दिस? सी द पिक्चर. दिस इज अ पेन, सो P-E-N, पेन. देन व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज एन owl, O-W-L. then this is a tree, T-R-E-E. what is this? This is moon. Yes. Then what is this? This is a rose. Then what is this? This is a bell. Then this is a book. Yes. Then what is this? This is a bird. Okay. Yes. So here we have completed the first chapter, which is very easy alphabet fun, where we just have to learn the alphabetical order and fill the words with vowels and consonants. So students, see this video and complete this much in your English 1, English grammar textbook, and we will continue in the next class.